Alright, so I'm going to be talking about a brief introduction to Waco. Waco is a cult run by David Cormier, known as Vernon Howe. And now Vernon Howe, he basically indoctrinated a bunch of people into his cult by saying he was the Son of God, which he probably actually was, considering he had revelations. He also, one of his revelations was that he had to have 27 children with a 14-year-old. I know. And yeah, Waco is pretty bad. Brief introduction. Please stop recording me right now.
That's just based.